Snoring is a common issue affecting millions. It happens when the air flowing through your nasal passages and throat causes the tissues in your throat to vibrate. This vibration produces the snoring sound. Snoring can be caused by various factors like being overweight, having a cold, or sleeping on your back. It can also be a sign of a more serious condition like sleep apnea. If you snore regularly, it's best to consult a doctor to rule out any underlying issues.